had this myself done to me. Mike has had it done to him. It's the facts of life. We continue to create overs against your friends. Made agreements. Millridge has written 2 policies on it, and it applies in your case. Do you want to be held, or do you want to stand up here and have it? Well? Well?
I'm not going to get hit now.
You are going to get hit.
Can you hit me with your hand?
I'm going to hit you with that paddle or that belt. Which one do you want? I'll choose the paddle.
Come on, Marco, stand up, take it like a man.
You don't want to embarrass yourself in front of the rest of these guys. Come on.
Dude. Don't.
Marco.
Marco?
Hey, it can be over in just a few minutes, Marco.
You're either going to take it like a man, or you're going to take it like a coward. Which one are you going to do?
I'm going to take it, dude.
You are going to take it.
Marco. If you just bend over and take it, it'll be done. Come on. Bend over the table.
Hey, Eric.
Take it to the other table.
I think we're going to have to use the desk.
Desk. Come on, Marco.
I ain't going to get hit, dude. I don't fucking animal, dude.
Not an animal, you're a gentleman.
Come on, be a gentleman, Marco. Marco. Come on, guy.
You guys can hold him down. You know what Pier 9 is?
Why don't you remove this from the desk? Come on, Marco. Marco.
I ain't going to get hit, dude.
You're right, you're right.
You come off me, but don't fucking hit me, dude. Let me get my fucking jacket off.
You're embarrassing yourself in front of the rest of the
Marco,
guys.
come on.
I'm not going to get fucking hit, dude.
You are.
Come on, Marco.
Oh! Fuck.
Okay, I'll just let you know your leg, Eric.
I'll let him do it, okay? He's throwing home, I'll let him do that, come on.
Get
Okay?
up.
I'll let him fucking do
That's
it.
right. If he wants to do it, he can be a man.
Stand over here.
Tell me how to go, will you?
Okay, 6 for the belt.
Next to the back.
Stand here. We're going to do it.
Well, he's going to stand there. I'll
You'll stand there like a
grant
man.
him like a man.
Okay, you're around. Over this way.
Oh, I just fucking hurt my head,
It's
dude.
going to hurt. That's the purpose of it. You ready? Lean forward. Lean forward. Marco, I've had this myself.
Marco.
It doesn't give me
Look up
pleasure
there
to
at the wall.
do this. Look at the picture of LRH right there. Marco? Marco, look at that picture of LRH. Marco? Marco? Look at that picture of LRH. This is his policy. Look at the picture of LRH. That's it. Look forward.
Just gotta be.
Turn around. You got 5 more coming.
Fuck no, man.
You got 5 more
That's
coming.
enough, man.
Yes,
Come on, Marco.
Come on.
Would you hold on to me? Let the pain go away, dude.
Marco.
It's going to be, the longer it takes, the more it hurts. So turn around.
Can you see the policy?
I'll show it to you after this is done. Right now, this is a justice action. Turn around, let the picture of LRH.
right there, dude, hit my butt.
I'm gonna try. Just get up
Dude, you don't hit my butt, man.
there. I'm trying to get you. That's why I offered you the paddle. So look forward. You want the other two with the paddle?
No.
Let's go. Let's get over it. I don't like doing this.
That's it,
All right,
man.
okay, come in, Marco. 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 You took it like a man. Marco. You took it like a man.
I don't want you, man.
Shake my hand. Marco, shake my hand. Marco. I did not enjoy doing that. Please shake my hand.
I want to get kicked off, dude.
You don't
I'm
have a
gonna do,
choice.
I'm gonna do anything possible to get
You
kicked off.
don't have your choice. Shake my hand. Okay, sit down in the chair. I said sit down in the chair. Now I mean it. Sit down.
Don't yell at me, man.
I said sit down in the chair. Right there. Sit down in the chair. Sit down. Sit down. You took the punishment. Don't threaten me with scissors, man. Right, I thought you observed. Well, could you? Include Marco's statements. Is your copy?
Look it up.
And the belt, the brake. If you want to leave, you can do so at the condition of doubt, Marco.
I can what?
You can leave if you want to when you do doubt. I did not enjoy doing that. Please keep him here while I take a break and get my TRs back in, please. You guys hear me? Mike?
Yes, thank you.